Not so many persons know that there are powerful tools in Canva that you can use to enhance the quality of your images right inside Canva. For some persons, it's just the basic edit features that you can find right here. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can leverage apps in Canva to enhance the quality of your images. So let's get started. So I'll be using this one. I have about 3 images here to demonstrate some of these tools. So for this first one, I'll be using an app in Canva called Lightning Studio. I think that's what it is called. Let's search for Lightning. Yeah, Lighting Studio, not Lightning, Lighting Studio. Click on it. And then I have my image already selected. So it will prompt you to select an image. Assuming I didn't select an image, or maybe I don't have an image right here, it will ask me to add or select an image. So with my image selected, I'll just process the image. So you can see how it will enhance this image from what it is originally to something more beautiful. So here I have it. So we have several presets that you can select from, and this preset has different colors. So we can scroll through to find all the presets. So what this app does is to add cinematic effect to your images. So if you want to add a cinematic effect to your image, then this is the app to use. Let me add another page so we can pick from the presets. Let's say this one. Let me select this one. Anyone you select, you can add to design. You also have some features, some adjustments that you can use here. The settings, you can adjust the power, you can adjust the distance, the radius, however you prefer it. But I like the default, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So this is what we have, and this is what we had earlier. This is the original, and this is what it has transformed our image to. So you can select from all these presets depending on the texture, on the effect that you like. So this is the first step, or the first way that you can enhance your picture, your images right inside Canva if you don't want to use the basic editing tools. Let's go over to this one. This is a screenshot I took from Canva. I used it for a certain design project. And if you can, as you can see, this image is low quality. It is blurred, sort of. It is low quality. So what I want to do with this image too is to increase the quality of this image. And to do that, I'm going to also leverage an app in Canva called Image Upscaler. So I'll be using this image. Let me go back because I had done this earlier. So I'm going to cancel this. So I'm going to select this image. This is the image, this is the original image. So what I want to do, like I mentioned earlier, is to upscale it. I want to increase the quality because it is blurred. So I want to make it better. Now you can upscale an image, you can upscale the page. For this tutorial, what I want to do is to upscale an image. So with my image selected, I will pick the upscale resolution that I want. So I'm going to go for 8x. So select the 8x and then ask the image upscaler to upscale my image. So you can see the difference between this one and the enhanced image. Again, if you don't want to use the basic tools here, you can leverage these apps to upscale. I'm not sure these basic tools has an upscaling feature. So that's why most times I use, whenever I take a screenshot of any image at all, I come here, use the image upscaler to upscale the quality of the image. Unfortunately, it is not available to free accounts. You can only access it if you have a pro account. So this is what, let me duplicate this page. So I'm going to replace this, replace. So once it is done upscaling, enhancing your image, you just click on replace. So it will replace this one here. So here is the original. Let me close this. Here is the original and here is the upscaled image. Let me bring it back here so you can see the difference. This is the original and this is the upscaled image. You see how clean and well this one looks. So that is the beauty of using upscaler. Whenever you have any image at all, whether it's a screenshot or an image that is blurred, you can use this image upscaler to upscale it. Let's go over to this last image here. I can delete this page. So this one, I want to upscale the pixel of this image. Not that this image is a bad one, but I want to make it better. So I'm going to also leverage an app. This is an image I took from Canva Elements, so it's a stock image. I want to enhance the pixel of this image. So we're also going to leverage an app in Canva called Pixel Enhancer. So I'll be using this app to enhance this image. So you can always search for it in your apps. Pixel Enhancer is the name. So with my image selected, I'll just click on Enhance Selected Image. Now you can see the difference between the two. And what this enhancer does is that it also shows you the before and after, so you can see what it was able to do for you. So let's wait while it enhances our image. So here we have it. I can click here to see the original. This is the original and this is the enhanced image. You see the difference? Let me also duplicate this page and then replace this one so we can see that clearly in the canvas. So it has replaced our image. So let me bring the other one side by side so you can see the difference. So this is the original and this is the enhanced image. So you can see the difference, that this enhanced image looks better than this original. So this is how you can leverage apps in Canva to enhance the quality of your image, any image at all, whether it is a blurred image that you want to upscale or you want to add a cinematic effect to an image, or you want to increase or enhance the pixel of an image. These apps should be your go-to tool. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also look out for our next tutorial. Bye.